Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Cayce here on Bale Friends. So, on Cooking with Cayce, I usually show you ways that you can lower your grocery bill to get you that $2 to $3 meal. But today's going to be a little bit different because with spring right around the corner, everyone's thinking about spring cleaning. So I wanted to show you on this how to save money and make your own homemade cleaner. I want to show you what I use and why I use it, and we're going to make it together on the video. So let me flip you around so we can go ahead and get started making this cleaner. Alrighty, y'all. So I have everything already in my jar. I did that off camera, and basically what I'm doing is I'm putting some cinnamon sticks in there at the bottom. Cinnamon sticks are antimicrobial. They're a natural disinfectant, and it masks hard odor, such as this vinegar that we're about to cover it with. Next, we have the dehydrated lemons. You can use raw lemons if you want to. I just have a bunch of the dehydrated ones. They are antibacterial, antifungal. They also smell really good. Then I have my dehydrated oranges. Again, I just have a bunch of them. You can use raw, but oranges contain something called D-limonene, and that's going to cut through the grease and the grime and soap scum. So all of that yucky stuff that you're trying to clean off. So now what we're going to do is with white distilled vinegar, we're talking store-bought white vinegar. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just pouring it right over to make sure that I cover all of the things that I have in my jar. This is gonna make a super big batch, but with me moving, I will definitely have enough to leave mom some and take some with me. So I'm making sure, as you see, I'm making sure all of my stuff is covered. Over the top, I'll put a little thing in to weigh it down. Let's give it a little splish splash more. We're just gonna do this. Fill her up. And now we are good. I'm gonna put my top on it. All right, y'all, so now that I have it all together, I poured the vinegar over it. I'm gonna give it just a little swooshy, swooshy, shaky shake. And I'm gonna set it in a cool, dark place for 3 to 4 weeks. At that 3 to 4 week time, you can go ahead and strain all of the solid pieces out, and you will have this colored liquid gold that can be added half to half. I will put recipe down below and use it for your cleaner. This is really good for countertops, sinks, kitchen stuff, not great for marble. If you do any of your research on it, you know that this kind of stuff, you don't really want to use for that. But inside your sinks, on your countertops, is really good. 50 part of this, 50 part of the water, shake it up in a spray bottle, and you can use it. This will save you a bunch of money, y'all, a bunch. I will leave kind of a breakdown down in the description notes on how much it costs to make this gallon of the cleaning supplies. And y'all, I hope you enjoyed this Cooking with Cayce. If you did, be sure to like and share, and let's now go back to Bale and Friends.